Verkada wireless locks enable you to bring the power of access control to every door without the headache of wiring. We designed our locks to deliver an easy yet powerful upgrade to the many doors out there still stuck on lock and key. The setup is simple. Our lock communicates wirelessly with our access controllers using our state-of-the-art V-Link protocol. And there's no need to worry about hopping across multiple systems to configure the lock. Every step can be managed centrally in Verkada Command, from bringing a lock online and pairing it with a wireless hub, to defining user access and setting door schedules. This unified approach makes deploying thousands of locks across your sites easy and streamlined. Once installed, each wireless lock delivers the full power of Verkada access control to your doors. You can automate user onboarding and offboarding with SCIM integrations, and deactivate users or credentials in just a few clicks. There's no more rekeying headaches or security risks whenever someone leaves your organization. You can use all of your favorite physical and mobile credentials, including Bluetooth and 10 Unlock, where a simple gesture can unlock a door. You can natively pair doors to Verkada cameras for valuable video context into door activity, and you can receive proactive alerts for concerning activity, like a door being forced or held open. During emergencies, you can trigger lockdowns in seconds from a web browser, mobile device, or panic button, so no one has to fumble with keys at a time when every second counts. Our lock also features an interior push button that can initiate a localized lockdown when pressed. And LED indicators on both sides of the lock will clearly signal the door's state and confirm when a lockdown is in effect. The lock is robust and can continue to operate even if internet connectivity is lost or the lock gets disconnected from the hub. Low battery alerts and backup power via USB-C also help keep the lock online. Verkada wireless locks enable you to upgrade lock and key doors with a smart, connected solution. For more information, reach out today for a personalized demo or a free 30-day trial.